Changing the header color on Shopify is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the online store section. From there, click on the Customize button next to the name of your theme. This will open the theme editor, where you can make changes to the layout and design of your store. In the theme editor, click on the header section. This will open a drop-down menu where you can select the type of header you want to use. Most themes have a default header that can be customized. Click on the default header option to proceed. Next, click on the Color Palette tab. This will display a list of colors used in your theme, including the header color. To change the header color, click on the color swatch next to the header text label. This will open a color picker where you can select a new color. You can choose from a range of predefined colors or enter a custom hex code to match your brand's color scheme. Once you have selected a new color, click on the Save button to apply the changes. You can preview the changes in the theme editor to see how the new header color looks. It is also possible to change the header color using CSS code. To do this, click on the Actions button and select Edit Code. In the code editor, navigate to the theme.css file and add a new line of code to target the header element. For example, you can add the code header, background color, #yourcolor. To change the header color, replace #yourcolor with the actual hex code of the color you want to use. After adding the code, click on the Save button to apply the changes. This method gives you more control over the design of your store, but it requires some knowledge of CSS coding. Best practices for changing the header color include choosing a color that complements your brand's color scheme and ensuring that the new color provides sufficient contrast with the background and text colors. This will improve the overall usability and accessibility of your store. In conclusion, changing the header color on Shopify is a straightforward process that can be completed using the theme editor or by adding custom CSS code. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a consistent and visually appealing design for your online store.